Hey, good to see you. Welcome to the Trending Time News. Sunita Williams and Wilmore have already been stuck on the International Space Station for 3 months, and now there are reports of a strange noise coming from inside the Starliner spacecraft that carried the 2 astronauts to space. "I've got a question about Starliner," said Wilmore as he radioed the mission control. "There's a strange noise coming through the speaker. I don't know what's making it," added the former military test pilot. He said that he was not sure if it was some oddity in the connection between the spacecraft and the mission control station or something else that was causing the noise. Wilmore then asks the flight controllers in Houston to listen to the audio, following which the mission control radios back via the hardline to listen to the strange noises. "It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping," acknowledges mission control in the audio widely being shared on social media. Boeing Starliner spacecraft emitting strange sonar-like noises is being reported by astronauts aboard ISS. "I'll do it one more time, and I'll let y'all scratch your heads and see if you can figure out what's going on. Here we go," replies the astronaut.As the odd, sonar-like audio repeats itself. Butch concludes the call with "All right, over to you. Call us if you figure it out." Mission control then confirms if the sound is only emanating from the speaker and if there are any other weird noises coming from inside the spacecraft. "T is not yet clear what is behind the strange and eerie noise." The recording of the conversation between Butch Wilmore and mission control was captured and shared by a Michigan-based meteorologist named Rob Dale. The Starliner, after years of delays, had finally lifted off on June 5. A day later, as it was approaching the space station, NASA and Boeing identified helium leaks and experienced issues with the spacecraft reaction control thrusters,
due to which the astronauts' return was put on indefinite hold. The Starliner has now been docked on the ISS for 3 months.